Do people still wear drawstrings? Well, I am. I gotta get ready to work and I need a quick hairstyle. So, drawstrings ain't drawstrings no more. I got this Pony Pro by Shake and Go. And so, it's about, it got a secret pocket. So, we're gonna give it a try today. Look where I'm going gray. Where y'all going gray? I'm going gray like in the center, in the party of my hair. Where y'all going gray at? Now, look what I got. I got all that working against me. And y'all remember I said, I know how to do hair, but I don't know how to do no hair. That's me right now. Well, I gotta do something with that. I had to break up the hot comb. Heaven's gift and everything. In your life, I hear the spring. You're the joy that love can bring. Y'all use gel when y'all do your ponytails? I'm not using gel, but I just was curious if people still doing that since I'm still using drawstring clip-on ponytails. Cause, yeah, I have been natural for like, I don't know how many years now. And I just decided to let my hair to perm it and like try different hairstyles. So So I'm gonna use Got to Be, and so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I would think you just spray and mold it up, right? That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so how am I doing so far? I can't see the back, but I mean, I know I gotta do some tweaking, but it looks alright so far, right? So I'm coming in with a voiceover to give some commentary on the ponytail. Of course, the ponytail is very simple to apply. The most of the work comes for just molding your hair down, especially if you have problem areas like me from having a short haircut. That was a problem area for me, but I worked it out. Let me know in the comment section how well I did. But just this is a great ponytail for in like if you in a hurry, rush, last minute hairdos for work, special occasions or whatnot. This would be it. It doesn't cost that much, and the skill level is very low. So anyone can apply this at any age. All you need is to mold your hair and to add, bobby pins. The ponytail was cute, just as simple as it was, but here I go can't leave well enough alone, always trying to do the extra and the most bestest. But I just wanted to add a little style, a little flair to it. So I was trying to come up with some ideas of how I could style it so it won't look so simple and so plain. What y'all think about and I thought I came up with looking like Billie Jean in this Michael Jackson Thriller beat with these little crinkly curls hanging down my face. But anyways, you know how people wear those slouch socks? Those socks. You know how those socks look? I'm kind of trying to give that type of vibe. Those junky socks. So I'm trying to do that in my hair. What y'all think? Do I need to bring that over some? Y'all know what I say. A little lash and a makeup. Gonna fix it all. Okay, a little lash. Little voila. Magic. Oh, that might be a transition. So I got these little safety pins too. I really don't like this long. Should I cut it? Let's start low. is the finished look. I use this pony. It is Spanish Curl 26 in 1B. I think this was like $26 or $20 or something like that. It's not a drawstring, but it's like similar. It has a comb in it, and you put your head, you put your ponytail down on that, and then you secure it with like bobby pins and stuff. I am old. I'm an auntie, you guys, so I cannot have all that hair on my neck because I'll be having hot flashes and all. So I did a little updo, you know, and gave me a little jazz right here on the side. So that is this. That is that. That is all. Thank you guys for watching. If you like videos like this, you want to see more, make sure you follow me. And until next time, stay fly.